Hi, my name is Kelsey Herring. I'm a middle school teacher in Cherokee County, pursuing my specialist degree in curriculum and instruction. And here are some of my professional goals. The first thing I would like to do as an ELA teacher is to promote reading. I know that middle school students aren't reading outside of the classroom. Last year, I polled my students, and in my class of about 30, only four of them had read any kind of book to completion outside of the classroom since fifth grade. So that means in the past 2 years, they hadn't read anything on their own besides just what teachers had given them. They need more than just a teacher assigned reading to learn about the world. I don't want to start assigning chapters and giving questions, that kind of stuff. And I really want to kind of start this initiative in my own classroom and start by having students almost challenge themselves, seeing how much can I read and should I be reading more on the weekends or more after school. They reading really helps build empathy in kids, and I would love to see more of that in our world. I would love to eventually start a book club in a sense. Not right now, we have a reading bowl team, which is great, and it does promote kids to read, but it's more of a read and recall the information and read and let's go compete. And I would really just like to kind of facilitate more of a let's read and socialize and just kind of soak in and enjoy these books and these stories. Another thing that I'm really passionate about is that I really want to advocate for some kind of middle school recess. Last year in my master's program, I did a lot of research behind this topic, and there's so much evidence to support this concept and this idea for students. It's more than just something that's physically healthy for them. There's studies to show that students achieve more when they have some kind of break period or recess time throughout the day. They're more focused in the classroom. They are more healthy emotionally as they go out through the day because they're less stressed. They have time to kind of decompress. Those introverted students who are forced to be around kids all day get time to just breathe and be by themselves and emotionally recharge, and vice versa. Those extroverted students get that time to just be social and hang out with people and not have to worry about being quiet while the teacher's trying to lecture or something. Recess also encourages creativity and responsibility in students. When you give them a block of unstructured time and they kind of have to manage themselves, they get creative in how they're handling that time. Are they going to go, oh, well, yesterday I read a book under the tree, and today I want to go play football with the boys? So it just kind of helps them become more independent and become more responsible as they go throughout their schooling education. I want to start by just kind of like with the reading thing, just starting breaks in my classroom. So maybe like halfway through class, we take a little 5 minute break. Okay, you can do whatever you need to do these next 5 minutes. I'm not really going to be on you in this time. So if you need to do homework for another class, or if you just want to take a nap or whatever they need to do. And then kind of as things progress, I'm maybe approaching my principal about this, and hopefully we could get this to something that could actually happen at my school. Finally, as a teacher, I know I need to keep learning. There's lots of professional development offered by my school and Cherokee County School District that I can take advantage of for free. So that would be great. Attending conferences. I've attended the National Council for Teachers of English, the NCTE conference, when they came to Atlanta a couple of years ago, and that was such a great experience. I would hope to, even if they're just doing virtual conferences, attend those in the future. Subscribing to educational journals and magazines to kind of keep up to date with the most recent trends in education, and of course, do my own research when I have questions about how I should proceed in the classroom. So that wraps up my professional goals. Thank you so much.